How to make your own white noise rider. Add analog, disable oscillator 1 and 2, enable the noise oscillator and increase the color to the max. Add some overdrive to thicken the sound, then add reverb, cut the lows, dry wet at around 40% and increase the decay. Next create a simple long note. Add an auto filter on bandpass mode and increase the resonance. Now create a filter automation for the upwards rising effect. Next add autopan for stereo widening. Or change the phase to 0% and automate the rate for upwards or downwards volume automation. If you enjoyed this tip, don't forget to follow me for more.